Planning a trip to Athens and want to make the most of it? Imagine starting your day with the awe-inspiring sight of the sun rising over the Acropolis. Just as the rooster crows, heralding the break of dawn, the city of Athens stirs to life. Yet nothing quite compares to the silent majesty of the Acropolis, bathed in the soft hues of the morning sun. Get out of the comfortable bed now and consider an early start to your day. The Acropolis, a beacon of ancient civilization, stands less crowded in the early morning, allowing you to fully soak in its grandeur without interruption. The Acropolis, perched high on a rocky outcrop, has been the heart and soul of Athens for over 2,500 years. Home to iconic structures like the Parthenon and the Erechtheion, it's more than just an archaeological site. It's a symbol of the city's resilience, a testament to the brilliance of ancient Greek architecture and a beacon of the high ideals that shaped Western civilization. And then there's the Parthenon, the crowning glory of the Acropolis. Built in the 5th century BC, dedicated to Athena, the city's patron goddess, it stands as a masterpiece of Doric architecture. Its imposing columns and intricate friezes are a sight that truly captivates, especially under the gentle glow of the morning sun. Don't forget the Temple of Olympian Zeus, another historical marvel. Started in the 6th century BC and completed some 600 years later, it was once the largest temple in Greece, a tribute to Zeus, king of the ancient Greek gods. As for the best spots to witness the sunrise over the Acropolis, try the Areopagus Hill or the Philopappos Hill. From these vantage points, you can watch as the city awakens, the sun's first rays illuminating the ancient stones, casting long dramatic shadows and bringing the past to life. As the sun's first rays illuminate these ancient structures, you'll feel a connection to the rich history of Athens that sets the tone for the rest of your day. After soaking in the sunrise, it's time to fuel up for the day with a traditional Athenian breakfast. From bustling bakeries to cozy cafes, Athens is a city that takes this first meal of the day quite seriously. Let's start with a couple of favorites that are as quintessentially Greek as the Acropolis itself. First on the menu is tiropita, a scrumptious cheese pie that's a staple in every Athenian breakfast table. This flaky, buttery filo pastry is filled with a blend of Greek cheeses, creating a delightful balance of crispy and creamy textures. And it's not just about the taste. Tiropita, like many Greek dishes, carries a slice of history, its origins rooted in the country's rich culinary past. Next up is spanakopita, a spinach pie that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Wrapped in layers of golden filo, it's a beautiful medley of spinach, feta cheese, and herbs. It's a testament to the Greeks' knack for transforming simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary. Now, where to find these breakfast delights? There's no shortage of places, but let's highlight a few standout spots. For the best tiropita, head to Ariston, a bakery that's been perfecting their cheese pie recipe for over 100 years. And for a mouth-watering spanakopita, locals swear by the one served at Takis Bakery, a beloved institution in the heart of Athens. But remember, indulging in local cuisine is more than just a sensory pleasure. It's a doorway to understanding the culture, the people, and the history of the place. As you savor each bite of your Athenian breakfast, know that you're partaking in a tradition that's been passed down through generations. You're not just eating, you're immersing. So as the Athenians say, the kali orexi, or good appetite. Enjoy the flavors, embrace the culture, and prepare for an unforgettable day of Athenian exploration. A hearty Greek breakfast not only satisfies your hunger, but also offers a tasty insight into Athenian culture. With a satisfied palate and an energized spirit, head over to the new Acropolis Museum, a modern marvel housing ancient treasures. The new Acropolis Museum stands as a beacon of Athens' vibrant history, a blend of the ancient and the contemporary. Constructed on the archaeological site of Makrogiani, the museum's glass floor offers a peek into the city's past, with excavations still ongoing beneath your feet. It's a unique dance between the old and the new, making the museum itself a piece of art. The museum's collection is a treasure trove of more than 4,000 items, each with a story to tell. Among the highlights is the Parthenon Gallery on the 3rd floor, where the Parthenon's frieze is displayed in its original configuration. It's a sight to behold, with a panoramic view of the Acropolis as a fitting backdrop. Don't miss the Archaic Gallery, where you can admire larger-than-life statues from the 6th and 7th centuries BC. Notice the Critios boy, a marble statue that marks the dawn of a new era in Greek sculpture. His relaxed pose and realistic features are a testament to the ancient Greeks' mastery of art and their keen observation of the human form. When navigating the museum, consider starting from the top floor and working your way down. This way you start with the most iconic pieces and gradually delve deeper into the layers of Athens' history. Take your time, allow yourself to be immersed in the stories these artifacts tell. The museum also offers a variety of interactive exhibits, making history come alive. It's not just about looking at artifacts behind glass. It's about understanding their context, their significance, and the civilization that created them. For the cherry on top of your visit, consider stopping by the museum's cafe. With a breathtaking view of the Acropolis, it's the perfect spot to reflect on the journey you've taken through time. The new Acropolis Museum bridges the gap between Athens' ancient past and its vibrant present, making it a must-visit on your Athenian journey. As the afternoon sun bathes the city, take a leisurely stroll through the charming Plaka district. Nestled at the foot of the Acropolis, Plaka is the oldest neighborhood in Athens, a place where the modern and the ancient coexist in perfect harmony. Here, the city's history is etched into every cobblestone and whispers through the narrow, labyrinthine alleyways. The district's neoclassical architecture is a sight to behold. Vibrant, pastel-hued houses line the streets, their facades adorned with intricate wrought iron balconies and cascades of blooming bougainvillea. These buildings, some of which have stood for centuries, imbue the district with an air of timeless elegance. Plaka is also a haven for shoppers. Its quaint, labyrinthine streets are brimming with unique boutiques and artisanal shops, where you can find everything from handmade jewelry and ceramics to traditional Greek clothing and antique furniture. Remember to keep an eye out for the flea market at Monastiraki, a bustling hub of activity where you can haggle for a one-of-a-kind souvenir. As you wander through the district, let your senses guide you. The tantalizing aroma of roasting meat will lead you to the local souvlaki stands, where street vendors serve up this delectable Greek specialty. Don't forget to try other local delicacies like loukoumades, a type of Greek donut, or bougatsa, a creamy custard-filled pastry. As for the best routes to take, let serendipity be your guide. Each turn offers a new discovery, whether it's a hidden courtyard, a frescoed chapel, or a spectacular view of the Acropolis. Yet, if you wish for a touch of structure, start at Adrianou Street, the district's main artery, and let its vibrant energy lead your exploration. So, take your time. Let the rhythm of Plaka seep into your bones. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the texture of the cobblestones under your feet, and the hum of everyday Athenian life around you. A stroll through Plaka offers a slice of everyday Athenian life, wrapped in a picturesque package of history and culture. After a day of exploration, it's time to retreat to your Athens, home away from home. In Athens, there's a perfect accommodation for every traveler, whether you're seeking the luxury of a five-star hotel or the charm of a budget-friendly hostel. The key to choosing the perfect Athenian accommodation lies not only in your budget, but also in the location. For those looking to indulge, Athens offers a plethora of luxury hotels, many of which boast breathtaking views of the iconic Acropolis. Imagine sipping a sunset cocktail on a rooftop terrace, the Parthenon glowing in the golden evening light. It's an experience that's worth every penny, offering you a front-row seat to the city's historic heartbeat. Yet, Athens isn't just a city for the high rollers. For the budget-conscious traveler, hostels provide a comfortable and affordable option. These aren't your average hostels either. Many are housed in beautifully restored buildings oozing with character and offer a vibrant social atmosphere. It's the perfect opportunity to meet fellow travelers and share tales of your Athenian adventures. But no matter what your budget, location is key. Athens is a city best explored on foot, with its historical landmarks, bustling markets, and delicious eateries all within walking distance. Choosing accommodation in the heart of the city, perhaps near the Plaka district or the Acropolis, can save you time and transport costs. Plus, there's nothing quite like stepping out of your front door and finding yourself immersed in the city's vibrant culture. Remember, your accommodation is more than just a place to sleep. It's your base, your sanctuary, and a significant part of your Athens experience. It's where you'll rest your weary feet after a day of exploration, where you'll plan your next day's adventure, and where you'll reflect on the memories you've made. Choosing the right accommodation can enhance your Athens experience, turning a good trip into an unforgettable journey. As the sun sets over the city, Athens transforms from a bustling metropolis into a magical world of twinkling lights and lively sounds. Athens is not just about daytime exploration, its nightlife is equally captivating and diverse, offering experiences for every type of traveler. Whether you prefer a quiet evening at a traditional taverna or a night out at a high-energy club, Athens has it all. Start your evening with a leisurely dinner at one of the city's many eateries. From rooftop restaurants offering panoramic views of the illuminated Acropolis, to quaint tavernas tucked away in the winding streets of the Plaka district, Athens' culinary scene is as diverse as its history. Savor traditional Greek dishes like moussaka, tzatziki, and souvlaki, paired with a glass of local wine or ouzo. After dinner, get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant Athenian nightlife. The city is famed for its live music scene, with venues ranging from intimate jazz clubs to grand concert halls hosting performances of Rebetiko, the blues of Greece. If you're more into dancing, Athens nightclubs are known for their energetic atmospheres and world-class DJs. There's a reason why Athenians are known to party until the sun comes up. But remember, Athens is not all about loud music and crowded clubs. For a more low-key experience, take a moonlit stroll through the historic streets or enjoy a nightcap at a quiet bar with views of the illuminated cityscape. Athens at night is a different world, offering a blend of ancient charm and modern energy. It's a time when the city truly comes alive and you're invited to be a part of it. Closing, if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and insights. Athens is a city of constant surprises and we're here to help you uncover them all. Until next time, safe travels.